All right, guys, gonna share with you my coffee bar and my favorite iced coffee recipe. Alright guys, here is the coffee bar. Our kitchen is still under renovation, but I figured I would share with you our coffee bar. And because you asked how I make my iced coffee at home, I will share after I give you a tour of the coffee bar how we make our iced coffee. So I got this really cool mug rack. I was going to make it myself out of a pallet, but our really cool store here locally, Alyssa's, sells it, and it was just easier to purchase it and pick it up. So it says "But First Coffee," and then I can hang all of my favorite Rae Dunn mugs that I've picked up, and a lot of you guys have shared the love. You guys love them too. Our local TJ Maxx really does not have a great selection. We don't get a lot. Alyssa's has some, and then I have seen that Kirkland's now carries them, but it's not that same font that I really like. So now that my mug rack is filled, I'm super happy. I definitely want to get some holiday ones, but this is what we're starting with. I've got my Keurig here, and then I have some flavored Starbucks syrups, and the reason why I got them from Starbucks is because I always get my iced coffee from Starbucks, but I wanted to start making it at home, and I have perfected it to taste the same. And then also just some sugar. This is from Magnolia Home from Target, and I just liked it. And the little tray is from, I think, Walmart. I think I just picked it up to just kind of put everything on, and then picked that up at Target in the dollar section. Just really cute for fall. So in here, ta-da, guess what we like to drink around here. This Canadian girl who lives in Florida, I buy Tim Hortons on Amazon so we can have Tim Hortons every day of the week. I've got Tim Hortons regular, and then when we're really tired and needing an extra boost, we do the dark roast. And then if we have friends over and they don't want caffeine at night and they want coffee, or if we're just craving a coffee at night, I just have a little bit of decaf. We don't actually drink it that much, but it's nice to have on hand when you're wanting a coffee at night but you're not wanting the caffeine. So then under here, this cabinet actually wasn't here. It was somewhere else in our kitchen, but we relocated it. We're planning on painting our kitchen cabinets white and changing out the hardware, but not yet. So it's still this color, but it will change to white, and we're going to do a marble countertop is what we're thinking, or maybe a quartz that looks like marble. And then, so under here are all the coffee supplies. So we love mugs here. So here are all our mugs, lots of Disney mugs. This one's from my sister, Wake Up San Francisco. Do you guys know where that's from? Comment below if you do. And then our travel coffee mugs are over here, lots of Disney. And then the backup coffee. So we've got our Tim Hortons decaf, Tim Hortons regular, and all of the extra Keurig goodness. All the stuff goes under there. All right, now I'm going to show you guys how I make my iced coffee. Okay guys, here is my recipe for my favorite iced coffee. I've got a venti Starbucks cup. It's actually like a plastic refillable one I purchased from Starbucks so I could make the same size. So use the size that you love. But I'm going to start with the syrup. And so I'm going to do 1 pump of classic syrup and 1 pump of vanilla. Next I'm going to use actually Starbucks iced coffee. So I'm going to do a little bit of this medium roast. I used to try the blonde roast, but it's too light. So I think the stronger the better, and if they have a darker one, I'll get that. I'm actually going to I think I'm going to get some Starbucks coffee and brew it myself and maybe refill this. That way I have it on hand. But I'm going to fill it up to this line here. And of course you can tailor the sweetness to taste. But I love these syrups because if you use sugar, it's granulated and it won't stay mixed into your coffee. And then I've got some organic half and half. This is Publix brand, and I'm just gonna take it to that next line there. So just a dash of that. And then the next we need is some ice. Iced coffee, delicious. All right, ready for the final taste? So yummy, and I'm saving a ton of money making it at home. Let me know your favorite iced coffee recipe in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.